Hey guys, this is Aegis Vision. We're building a real-time wearable AI that helps and train people act in medical emergencies. The first few minutes decide survival. In both combat and everyday situation, critical damage happens before professionals arrive. The person on scene usually has no training, incomplete information, and is under extreme stress. The core problem is simple. The right action is needed immediately, but the person doesn't know what to do. We already have CPR and first aid training, but it doesn't solve this. People forget, they panic, and static guides don't adapt to what's actually happening. What's missing is something that can see the situation, understand it, and guide action live. That's where Aegis Vision comes in. It uses wearable camera and audio output, processes the images in real time, and provides step-by-step voice guidance back to the user. The goal is to turn a bystander into a guided responder in real time. Here's how it works end to end. First, the Meta Ray-Ban glasses captures videos and audio from the user's point of view. The stream goes into a mobile app which acts as a central hub. From there, we run real-time vision and speech processing to understand what's happening in the scene. That information is passed into an emergency reasoning layer, which determines what action should be taken next. Finally, we generate voice guidance and send it back to the user. This runs as a continuous loop, so the system is consistently observing, updating, and adapting instructions in real time. Now let's get into the demo scenarios. The first demo scenario is a bystander finds a person that is down on the ground and is unconscious and asks Aegis Vision for help.
Hold the camera steady. I need a few more seconds to see clearly. Look closely at the person. Check their eyes and whether they're moving.
They're not moving.
Speak loudly to them and tap their shoulder. Tell me if they respond in any way.
Hello, are you okay? He's not responding to me.
Call 911 now. Tell them the person is unresponsive. If they're not breathing, start chest compressions right away.
Our second scenario is that a user cuts his arm during an activity and has a severe bleeding, but is panicking and does not know what to do and asks Aegis Vision for help.
I just cut my arm.
Show me the wound. Point the camera directly at the bleeding. Press firmly on the wound with a clean cloth or your hand. Keep steady pressure and don't lift until I say so.
Okay, the blood is now starting to slow down after putting pressure on it. What do I do now?
Good. Keep light pressure on the wound and watch for it to start again. Call 911 if it gets worse.
While the system is guiding the user, it's also building a live record of what's happening. We track key events like what was observed, what actions were taken, and how the situation changed over time. This gets turned into a structured report that can be handed off to EMTs or doctors. So instead of starting from zero, responders immediately know what's already been done. It turns a chaotic situation into a usable medical context.